Dispatch, good morning.
10 flaps full.
What can I get for you?
62 Tower Information Foxtrot 1754 Zulu wind.
Clear prop!
Tendencies, right? We got P factor, we got spiraling slipstream.